I'm getting ready now to take the piece off the lathe. I'm going to saw it off, but initially I need to just turn away some of this excess plaster that's here so that I can get a crisp edge with the tool and then saw it. So where it ends is crisp and clean. I'm not going to turn too far in because obviously the weight of it may make it fall off. And you want to make the gap about a finger width to give yourself enough room. Now the piece is finished, I'm going to remove it from the chuck. We're going to saw it off. I'm just going to put the spanner back in to steady the piece while I'm cutting it, taking care not to chip the edge that we want to keep crisp. I would normally get someone to hold this whilst I was cutting it off. So now we just need to flatten off that base using a serve form, and the piece is now ready for mould making.